today's video, I'll show you how to roll back your WooCommerce version safely and effectively. If your latest update caused issues, errors, or plugin conflicts, don't worry, rolling back WooCommerce is quick and simple when done correctly. So let's get started. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins section on the left-hand side. This is where all your installed extensions, including WooCommerce, are managed. Before rolling back, it's very important to create a full backup of your website. You can use a plugin such as Updraft Plus or All-in-One WP Migration to back up your site's files and database. This ensures that if something goes wrong, you can restore your store exactly as it was before. Once your backup is complete, open the installed plugins page and look for WooCommerce in the list. Deactivate the plugin by clicking on the deactivate option. Don't worry, your store data will not be lost. It simply disables WooCommerce temporarily. Now, to roll back the plugin, you'll need to install the WP Rollback plugin. If you don't already have it, click on Add New at the top of your plugins page and search for WP Rollback. Install it and then activate it. After activation, return to your installed plugins page. You'll now notice a rollback option next to WooCommerce. Click on it and a list of previous versions will appear. Choose the version you want to revert to, ideally the one that was stable and working smoothly on your site. Click on Rollback, confirm your selection, and let WordPress handle the process. Within a few moments, WooCommerce will be rolled back to the version you selected. Once the rollback is complete, reactivate the WooCommerce plugin and check your store. Take some time to test your website thoroughly. Browse through your product pages, test the cart, and make sure the checkout process is working properly again. If any problems remain, try clearing your browser and site cache. Then test your site again. You can also review the WooCommerce changelog to understand what might have caused the issues in the newer version. And that's it. You've successfully rolled back your WooCommerce version without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which WooCommerce version worked best for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.